Good afternoon, Prof, and everyone who will be watching this. Today, our group G2T6, which consists of myself, Alice, Gerald, Lingxiao, and Ying, will be presenting to you our application FitMe, aka your one-stop health and fitness website. This will be our flow of presentation. We will first introduce the problem, followed by our proposal. Next, we'll discuss the features and tools used to build our website. Lastly, a demo on the website will be shown. So firstly, why would we want to build a website that features health and fitness all in one platform? Well, we want to help people who want to have a healthy lifestyle and make it more convenient for them to reach their nutrition and fitness goals easily. Similarly, with the pandemic, many people want to keep fit after the circuit breaker earlier this year. In addition, there are also people who want to keep fit and eat healthy but unable to find a place to start. This is where our website comes in to tackle this problem. We will now have Gerald introduce the proposed solution.
As such, our application FitMe will incorporate these four main functions, namely a Google Map where users can locate the nearest gym available and check the reviews. Next, our website will also suggest personalized workout videos based on their preferences. We also have a recommended food based on the user's goals of cut or bulk. And lastly, we feature upcoming fitness events so that our users can have a greater and more convenient access to such events. This will be our wireframe for FitMe application. On the homepage, user will be able to see nearby gyms around them through the map, as well as a list of upcoming fitness events. On our diets page, users can see their diets recommendation for each meal depending on their fitness goals. On our workouts page, users can customize their own workouts, and they can also get guided workout tips through a list of recommended workout videos. On our gyms reviews page, users can read the reviews on various gym brands as well as the membership pricing for each respective brands. Lastly, the profile page can allow users to view their personal information upon successful registration or login session. Now I'll hand over to Ling Xiao, who will be sharing with you about the APIs and database used in this project.
Thanks, Gerald. Now for the API, we utilize Google Map API to assess nearest gym available to the user. YouTube API is used to generate video recommendations based on the suggested workout plan. The personalized workout plan data was extracted from Exercise API. Next, we utilize CSS to assess font libraries and stylings such as our website would look more seamless and beautiful. At the same time, we reference some Bootstrap templates such as carousel and cards to display our data in a more authentic way. We also make use of JavaScript, where we make our application more reactive using DOM, Axios, frameworks like Vue. Some honorable mentions would be Lottie files, where we retrieve some GIFs for our application designs. Now for the database, these are the data that we stored, such as gyms, products, events. We utilize Axios to retrieve the data in our database.
Our backend is a two-tiered application comprising an Apache server that runs PHP and MySQL database. Firstly, we use Doctrine as an ORM tool to ease the management of our database. Additionally, we also make use of Docker extensively to containerize our Apache server. And what containerization has allowed us to do is deliver working code without having to worry about configurations and dependencies. Lastly, a beyond the lab function would be our cloud deployment, which is done on AWS. The services being used include RDS, which is known as Relational Database Service, ECS, which is also known as Elastic Container Service, API Gateway, as well as Amplify. RDS provides a managed service for hosting our MySQL database on the cloud. ECS is a container orchestration service which allows us to manage containers. It automatically heals containers, meaning it starts a new container in the event of a crash. It is also capable of auto-scaling, increasing the number of containers in response to the volume of user traffic. In addition, ECS with AWS CloudWatch provides valuable metrics into our service health. API Gateway serves as a reverse proxy, encapsulating our internal servers and providing a HTTPS endpoint. Amplify provides our front end with automated deployment, and it allows for virtually infinite scalability and minimal latency for our users.
Now we'll be bringing you through a live demonstration of how our FitMe page looks like on desktop. First things first, when you reach the FitMe application, you'll see the home page. So before you are logged in, you'll see login and signups, and you'll be only able to access like the home page, gym reviews, whereas the workout page and diet page is personalized, so you will not be able to see anything if you're not logged in. So first things first, we will make an account. So we'll sign up. So in that case, we made an error message. So if you have not filled in anything or your email is not there, there'll be an error message or registration form is incomplete. Please fill in and refill. Invalid email format. Email must contain @ So we'll start making an account. So we'll call Mary. So mary@gmail.com. So 123. So height will be 170. So we have also made it such that the BMI, when displayed, it will be displayed in a color specific to like the level, the health level, like underweight, or in the case where it's acceptable, it'll be green. Where it's overweight, it'll be yellow. Obese, orange, and like severely obese, red. So we'll just put it as acceptable at 23.53. So we'll choose to gain weight, gain muscles. So register. So first things first, you can see the profile. So this is everything that we indicated just now. Mary at Gmail, 17068 bulk. So we'll now be looking through the homepage. So this is what you'll see. FitMe is your one-stop health and fitness website. And these are the functions available. Find nearby gyms and fitness center, join events, explore workouts, plan your diet, get gym reviews. So firstly, we have the find gyms and fitness center nearby and start your workout. So you'll be brought to a Google Maps. And then this will be your current location, and you'll be able to access like the gyms nearby. So like you can see Coach Imran, place address, freelance coach, 2 Handy Road, all this. So for example, we're going to Plaza Singapura. So you'll find nearby gyms. So you'll be brought to Plaza Singapura, and then you can click on like the gym pins to look at the reviews. So example, Bolt Fitness, then we will get all these. So all these reviews are made for Bolt Fitness. Okay, other than gym reviews, we also have this events section where you can look at the upcoming events that are coming up in Singapore. So example like Changi Run, and there's the description of it. And like there's also the date and everything. And if you want to look at the poster more closely, you can click in and you can see the poster. And if you want to register, you'll also be brought to an external link. So you can click register here and you'll be brought to like another page so that you can register. And once you're done, you can click this to scroll back all the way back up, so it'll be easier. Next, we'll look at our workout page. So this is the workout page, and we have our custom workout tab and our workout videos tab. So our workout videos tab are the general videos that we have compiled based on the different section. So I get started, we have the home-based workouts, gym workouts, our secret recipe for you. And then from Learn More, you can see that you can toggle between different tabs below to categorize our exclusive video sets. Each video set has a playlist at the top right corner for you to choose. So for example, we want to look at home-based workouts. So like 20 minutes fat burning HIIT workout will play. So you can watch the videos from this. At the same time, you can also open the playlist for more home workout videos. So it'll be easier to access.
Next up, we've got Matthew, so grab a mat.
Yep, so afterwards you'll press this and you can go back up. So next we'll be looking at our custom workout. So you can customize your own workout plan. So by clicking this button, you'll be led to choosing two selections. So firstly will be type of exercise and also the difficulty level. So for example, I'll choose cardio and expert, and then it will generate. So it will generate these personalized workout for us. So for example, I'll look at trail running, walking. So I can watch this video. So it's an example of how to do trail running and walking. Or if I want to look at stair climber, there's like a video which will show me how stair climber works.
Stairmaster. Most treadmill burn up to 8.
So if I also want some quick tips, it will show me like, stair climber instruction. To begin, step onto the step and select the desired options from the menu, etc. So there are like some tips following with each video. so that you don't have to actually watch the video and you can just refer to these tips before you do your exercise. Yep. Next, we'll be looking at the diet page. So this diet page is really personalized based on what you chose just now when you registered. So cut or bulk. So we chose bulk. So these are all for bulking. And in the case, there will be breakfast, lunch, dinner. And so, for example, I want to look at grilled halibut and tomato salsa. I want to look at the recipe. So it'll bring me to an external page where I can see the full recipe and like cook dinner for myself. And lastly, we'll be looking at gym reviews. So gym reviews will show the gyms of all the popular gyms available in Singapore. So namely Anytime Fitness, Fitness First, Gymbox, True Fitness, and Virgin Active. So from here you can see the price and the reviews that these gyms have. And you can also click back up to go back up. So in the case where we log out and we want to log in back again, we also have a link where you can toggle between register and login. And also our registration just now with Mary. 1, 2, 3. Again. It's already in our database. So you can just log in. Yep, and all the information is here. In addition, our page is also edited such that it is responsive to different screens. So on iPhone 6, it will look like this. Yep, and this is how a navbar will look like when it's in iPhone 6 dimensions. Yep, thank you.